Hey, let's talk about comparative adjectives. All right, what's an adjective? It describes a noun. Big car, small car, old car, new car. Sounds like Dr. Seuss. That's an adjective. Big, small, old, new. What's a comparative adjective? You know this. Bigger, smaller, older, newer. Right? We're going to compare one thing to another. The car is bigger than the chair is smaller than the car, etc. Now, how do we do it in German? It's actually very similar to the way we do it in English. Comparative adjectives. Usually we use these in a situation where there's two things or two people. If you got two people, one is taller, one is shorter, one is older, one is younger. If you have two cars, one is faster, one is slower, one is bigger, one is smaller, one's more expensive, one's less expensive. Comparative adjectives, two things, two people. German and English do this in a fairly similar way. Er ist älter als. Sie ist jünger als. You can see the structure right there. Younger than, older than. In English, we just add the letters ER. In German, we're going to add ER, but we're also sometimes going to throw two dots over the vowel. So you see alt goes to älter and kalt goes to kälter. So not only do you need to put two dots over the vowel, but you also have to pronounce it. Alt, älter, kalt, kälter. And so here's a series of examples. Groß, größer, warm, wärmer, lang, länger, jung, jünger. But not every adjective will take umlauts in the comparative. So here we see klein goes to kleiner. There's no umlaut there. In the case of klein, there's no umlaut because the vowels E and I never take umlauts. In English, we have irregular adjectives. Good does not go to gooder. Much does not go to mucher. So if I had a good day, you had a better day. Okay, if I have much money, he has more money. So irregular adjectives in English, same as in German. Gut goes to besser. Viel goes to mehr. Very same principle as in English. As we mentioned, not every adjective will take umlauts in the comparative. So here are some of the exceptions. Langsam, neu, schwer, breit. No umlauts in the comparative. We're going to use the word als to function as the than, right? Bigger than, smaller than. So we're going to say größer als, kleiner als. Right? So again, the structure is very similar to English. Der Kaffee ist heißer als. Das Eis ist kälter als. Der Film ist länger als. Eine Cola ist kühler als. Again, the structure of comparative adjectives in German is pretty similar to that in English. It's actually an easy topic. I know you can do it. Practice it, do a few exercises, watch this video 2 or 3 more times, and you will be an expert in comparative adjectives in German. That's all for now. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.